we're just still seeing the tip of the iceberg, I believe, where most advocates are bracing for what's going to come because so many people are still struggling. There's still so much uncertainty.
John Torsch runs a nonprofit named after his brother Dan, who died from an overdose in 2010. John is keeping a close eye on the trends in drug misuse during the coronavirus pandemic.
We've seen a lot more people entering treatment. There's a lot of people who did not want to be homeless during this, who did not want to still continue to actively use. All of our recovery housing programs, for the most part, are full.
That's one of the positive effects, but Torsch says many who aren't in treatment facilities are struggling. This year, health officials in Howard County report a 27% decrease in non-fatal overdoses, but a 10% increase in overdose deaths. Believe it or not, social distancing could be to blame.
Fatalities are more likely to occur when people use alone. Hence, there's no one there to rescue them with naloxone or someone to call 911.
And Torsch says some of the deaths are people in recovery. He says the disruption to their routine, loss of support system, and lack of in-person Narcotics Anonymous meetings are a problem.
The work, having a job that's stable and every day they're doing the same thing, that's what kept a lot of these people on the path. So you have the loss of your routine, the loss of human connection, the anxiety of losing your job, of not knowing when things are going to reopen.
The Howard County Health Department is trying to bridge the gap.
We have been doing a lot of social media and chat groups for specific groups, also outreaching to community members who may have inroads to certain communities that we may not be able to access right now.
The Daniel Torsch Foundation has also increased its community outreach. John Torsch's advice?
Communicate with someone you trust. Let them know that you're struggling.
If you or someone you know needs help, we've placed links to resources on our website, WBALTV.com. In downtown Baltimore, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.